somebody up just in case. Myers should close it out, but just in case he loses it. And Betancourt with a flare to center field. And look at this. 2 will score, and the Royals are going to bring the tying run to the plate in Billy Butler in the 9th inning. How about this?
Seen stranger things happen. Look, this is baseball, and this is a Royals team that's pesky. They are doinking and bleeding Brett Myers to death right here. And everything is contagious in this game of baseball. And a hit-a-thon is broken out, and if Billy Butler can get a hold of a hanger, ooh.